visit the vast shopping opportunities that await you in this cosmopolitan, avant-garde and modern city that is Bilbao. Bilbao has been completely renovated. And this is noticeable not only in its museums, buildings or bridges, but also in that the top brands of clothes and accessories have established here. From Deusto to the Casco Viejo, the urban, cosmopolitan and commercial life is concentrated between the riverbanks of the estuary. Bilbao is in fashion. Today, the 7 Streets in the old part is one of the largest open shopping areas in Spain. Here, you will be able to delve into the more than 800 shops and 200 hotels, bars and restaurants that fill the old part, and shop till you drop. The center of Bilbao, that is, the surrounding areas of the Gran Via Street, from the Plaza Moyua to the Plaza Circular, and all the neighboring streets, have become the backbone for commerce of Bilbao and a place you simply cannot miss. The traditional shops and boutiques coexist here with department stores and international brands that make Bilbao a city that sets trends. World-renowned fashion companies like Loewe, Gucci or Louis Vuitton have established themselves in Bilbao's Golden Mile. Although, if you're looking for trendy, Bilbao is just a mere sample of what the Basque Country has to offer in respect of shopping.